Why does your scanner show the P0736 engine code? What does it mean? P0736 is a diagnostic trouble code for reverse incorrect ratio. This engine code indicates that the PCM or ECM has detected a problem with the vehicle's ability to shift into or operate correctly in reverse gear. It often signifies a transmission issue related to the gear ratio during reverse driving. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: transmission fluid issues, transmission mechanical problems, control system issues, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes-Benz, Dodge Caravans, and Mitsubishi Galants. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.